Plus Music Entertainment.
Yo, X-Days, these men on the beat, Ungayenzi lento ofuna ukuyenza kumina ibuhlungu baby ngiyakuthanda lokho kushoyo kuzongibulala isitrue angikhoni ngakwazi ukuqhubeka without you zonke insuku wena usenhlizweni yami understand ngikuthanda kakhulu ngikhombisile uthando la ngempela futhi ngalibona awukaze wangithandela ukuthi nginani uthanda mina awukaze wangiqhathanisa nabantu uyangihlonipha uhlezi ungiseka mase ngibheda futhi uyangibonisa so ngenze njani ngoba nginaphutha ngifuna wena ukuhlukana nawe kodala inkinga nokufika ngohlezi ngimxoxela ngawe daily and kuyoba nzima ukhipha wena ekhanda lami nasenhlizweni akulula ngoba uthi liphelile uthando lakhe azame ngolami njengoba uthi awungithandi ngizokwenza ungithande futhi yize noma ungiconfuse love ukuthi kanjani I wanna fix this baby ngitshena ukuthi ngilekhapha maybe kunika imali encane or ngikunika kancane so here I am baby ngikuqe phansi cela ungithande I do anything sithanda sami ngizisise ngizokwenzisisa konke ngacomplain ukuze ngibe nawe I'll sing for you and do things I never do every day ngizokureminder that I love you boo angeke ukhale not even a day I swear to that lo tenants esinawo omncane let's make it 100 Thando please ngibuke emehlweni mina lo angashintshi nakancane I hope uyabona at least tell me why usufila ngalolu hlobo or maybe khona usumtholile ubona ukuthi ungcono kodwa futhi angifuni ukwazi cause that shit would kill me sacela ukhohlwe and love me again I'll take the blame ngiyazi mina namaphutha I'm sure you can explain so I'm sorry ngiyaxolisa baby love me again